How to fix wink up sound problem. What's up everybody? Today I will show you how to fix this easy and quick. Let's start. So just open your settings of your phone, come click on apps option and search for wink. Click on wink like this. Here right now just you will find this list. Scroll it down and click on storage. Click clear cache at the corner of the screen and back. Click on force stop and click OK. Go to Play Store, update your Wink app, restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.